Hazak ubaruch. Good morning to everyone. Be'ezrat Hashem, Mincha is going to be at 8:15. Please be on time. Continuing in the Halachot Muktzeh, Chacham Ovadia writes that if milk is pumped in a fashion that is prohibited, which means through a manual pump, both, by the way, it applies to a woman who's nursing. If she pumps milk manually, she's violating a Torah violation. A lot of people do not realize this. They say it's for the child, it's okay. It's a Torah violation. It's no different than turning on a light on Shabbat. It's actually more serious because even the light on Shabbat is a little bit disputed, and this is not disputed whatsoever. It's definitely a Torah violation, and therefore people have to be very careful. Even an electric pump, by the way, it's not everything is mutar. A person has to ask she'ela and know what is allowed and what is not allowed. It's beyond today's halacha, but it is important to know that electric pump, although it lessens the prohibition, there's still important details that one must know. But if one uses a manual pump, either to extract milk from a woman or lehavdil from a cow, for example, they pump out milk, both of those cases which are asurim from the Torah, the milk itself becomes asur because of muktzeh. Since that milk is not allowed to be used on Shabbat, certainly, so therefore it cannot be handled, it's not deemed to be food, it's not deemed to be something that's edible, and therefore it becomes muktzeh itself. If it is muktzeh, no one is allowed to handle that milk. If it needs to be moved, it needs to be transferred from one place to another, one would be permitted to tell a goy to do it, but to do it himself, he would not be allowed to do under the rules of muktzeh. And by and large, in general, anytime there's a prohibition that is violated, then that item usually ends up becoming muktzeh. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen ve'amen.